Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we embark on an emotional journey as we confront some of nature's most terrifying disasters, from earthquakes that tear apart the ground to colossal tsunamis that engulf entire cities in the blink of an eye. These chilling moments not only send shivers down our spines, but also serve as a stern reminder of nature's ruthless power and the fragility of human life. Join us as we experience 60 unforgettable moments, deepening our understanding of the importance of protecting our green planet. Our journey begins now. Are you ready? Lava flows from the volcano pouring down, burning everything. The tornado rolls up into a giant spiral column, swirling strongly. Each iceberg gradually melted and sank into the cold seawater. The white icebergs began to crack and sink into the sea. A huge chunk of land was torn off the hill, collapsing below the mountain. The roads were flooded with vast seas of water. Thunder rumbled, shaking the whole space. The tornado blew dust and debris everywhere. The volcano erupted violently, shooting up streams of red lava. Landslides occurred suddenly, creating a scene of devastation and ruin. The landslide created a column of white smoke, covering an entire corner of the sky. Strong winds and heavy rain combined to create a chaotic and scary scene. The explosion of the volcano shook the surrounding area. The old house collapsed into a pile of wood and rubble. Sandstorms swept up clouds of dust, obscuring the entire landscape. Thunder echoed from afar, loud and fierce. Heavy rain flooded the street yard with water. Heavy rain and continuous storms make the light dim and the air colder. The volcano erupted like a violent outburst of nature. Volcanic eruptions create sky-high columns of smoke. Forest fires create clouds of smoke, making the air stuffy. The fire smoldered under the vegetation, making the forest chaotic and dangerous. The ground cracked. Large pieces of land began to slide downhill. The river overflowed its banks. Floodwaters flowed rapidly through the fields. The tornado column twisted into the sky, creating a terrifying roaring sound. The lava flow from the volcano flowed down, and the rocks were also swept along by it. The tops of tall trees burned red, creating a terrifying scene of destruction. Thunder boomed, making the ground tremble. The storm roared, causing winds to blow and rain to fall like hail. Vehicles were swept away, up to their hoods in water. The dikes broke. Floodwaters flooded into the villages, turning into a vast sea of water. Masses of rock and soil fell from the mountainside, sweeping away everything on the road. Huge icebergs slowly sink into the ocean. Huge chunks of ice fell into the sea, creating a terrifying scene. Strong winds blew sand and dust everywhere, making everything blurry. Fierce winds blow sand like waves, forming moving sand dunes. Large pieces of soil slid down the foot of the mountain, forming a thick layer of mud. Lightning suddenly exploded, accompanied by rumbling thunder immediately afterward. The floodwaters rose, washing away everything in its path. The rumbling sound of rocks falling as the hillside collapsed. The wind whistled intermittently, blowing away dust and leaves. The house suddenly collapsed, leaving rubble on the ground. The sandstorm turned the sky pale orange and obscured the light. Soil and rocks slid down from the hillside, forming a giant mudflow. The tsunami came, washing away everything, turning the city into a sea of water. The sky darkened, thick black clouds covered everything. The river water rose, washing away the foundation of the house near the shore. Large snowflakes fall continuously, forming a thick white blanket on the ground. The landslide left behind a wild and ruined landscape. Join Protect Nature as we continue our journey to explore the wondrous power and harsh challenges that nature brings. The upcoming moments will not only leave you in awe, but also ignite a passion for protecting our green planet. If this message touches your heart, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to join us in exploring the stunning mysteries of Earth. Together, let's safeguard the only home we have and make our planet a better place. See you in the next incredible adventures.